Margin Burs are the world's finest diamonds. All dental students are trained to produce restorations, whether direct or indirect, that had an interface with tooth structure that was undetectable. The primary purpose of the exquisite margins restoration finishing burrs is to create an interface that is smooth, uniform, and easily cleaned by the patient. This will increase the longevity of the restoration, decrease the incidence of recurrent caries, and promote the health of surrounding tissues. The outcome of utilizing these burrs includes smooth, undetectable margins, plaque-resistant surfaces, healthier gingival tissues, increased longevity of restorations, enhanced aesthetics, and proper contours. The burrs come in two sizes, 3.5mm and 6.0mm, and in 3 grits, fine, super fine, and extra super fine. The burrs are simple to use. Run a sharp probe over the interface between the restoration and tooth structure and choose the diamond size that will provide the most accurate reduction. Commence with the blue band diamond for the initial reduction, making sure to check the margin continuously for overhangs. Once removed, polish with the red and then the yellow band diamonds. Remember to handle with care and place the burr into the high-speed handpiece with fingers or tweezers.